Here you will draw a product illustration. These examples are objects I drew from the historic costume collection. I took a product photo of each object. You can select any object. Just make sure there's a single light source and the light is on one side or the other. It will create some shadow for the ground plane. You could also wear the accessory and include part of the anatomy. Print a picture and trace it up against a window. It's important to trace lightly and only add details to the surface in the foreground. Details in the background should be basic. Add background color by lightly hatching with your watercolor pencil. I grab the watercolor pencil really far away from the tip to get it even. It's easier to control. Use water to spread this first layer of background color. It's okay if it's a little sloppy because you'll add more later. Now add a darker value to the shadow and make sure it's darkest where the object touches the table. Now is a good time to add a secondary color if you choose, but if you do, limit your palette to 2 colors maximum. Fill in the background. Now you'll work on shading. Add a gray value all the way across the form. Darken in your shadows and blend them. Use your eraser to pull out highlights. Now do the same for the front. The process is the same but done in smaller areas to create detail. Now add some darks with your black watercolor pencil. These are the deepest shadows. Finish your background with another more carefully applied layer of watercolor pencil and water. Once it's dry, flip the paper over and lightly coat with clean water. Lay some books on top to press it.